tight. Like, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, Dior, back again with another video. Okay, y'all. Before I get into this video or anything that's going on right now, first of all, excuse the lightning. I'm gonna get me some ring lights, and we're gonna be good. Don't mind my little bun back here. It's all messed up anyways. I had to put the hat on because I feel like doing my hair. But what happened is, y'all need to check my boy Best Friend out and his music. I'm gonna insert his name right here, and I'm gonna insert his stuff right here.
Mary Jane, Mary Jane. She said that she love me, I don't feel the same. Mary Jane, Mary Jane. She said that she love me, I don't feel the same. I don't feel the same. I don't feel the same. Pray to God that somebody come and heal me. I want this to work, but you don't even feel me. She said that she know me, she don't know the real me. Grinding every day to hide my feelings.
Y'all hear that music? So y'all need to go ahead and go listen, go add my best friend music to y'all playlist. Okay? Y'all, now let's get into the video. First of all, this right here is my new room, and I'm out of breath because I just moved my whole mattress from upstairs, from my old room to this room. It's a bigger space, so I can't wait because I'm gonna order some stuff for my little YouTube corner, and then have my stuff like in my little bed thing, whatever the case may be. I don't even know how I'm gonna decorate this room, but I already got like my little closet thing down here, and my hairband down here. And yeah, right now my room that is upstairs look a hot mess, like shoes everywhere, everything everywhere at this point. But you already know by the title what we about to get into. Like yeah. And my hair appointment is this weekend, so is my nails and my toes. Y'all, I don't even like this lightning though. For real, I don't like this lightning. I don't know if y'all can be able to see the outfit, but without further ado, we're gonna try these clothes on. And I think while I'm trying the clothes on, I'm gonna, put music on. Don't mind that, because that goes to the window. Oh, okay, y'all see all that over there? No, that was not for y'all to see. Anyways, without further ado, we're gonna get into this video. Let's go. For one, everything did not come from Rue 21. Most of these stuff in here is from SHEIN. The only thing I got from Rue 21 is one shirt, and I don't know why they gave me this big bag for one shirt. But without further ado, I had to get me the hats. This hat came with the with this too, but I had to try the hat on. This says chill vibes, and this says it is what it is. Of course, they probably gonna try not to let me wear hats to school, but I'm a senior, big senior. If I want to wear a hat, I'm gonna put on a hat. Period. Anyways, and then I had to get the shades because your girl is growing on shades. I've always had a thing for shades, but I'm just starting to grow into shades. So yeah, I got 3 shades. The black one, okay. Don't play, the girl don't play. We bring classy out. Oh, before I get to the rest of this packaging, because I got more clothes coming, FYI. So there's going to be 2 hauls. There's going to be a SHEIN haul, and then the second clothes is going to be a try-on haul, or whatever the case may be, because it's not coming from SHEIN. I am going to be changing my YouTube name from Dior Galore. I use Dior a lot because in my name. I use Jordan a lot in my name. I have too many names, and I'm just gonna back out from all the naming and just stick to maybe my birth name, not my faux birth name, but like my name is Donasia. For you guys who don't know, that is my name. My name is Donasia, and it's very, very long. So of course I'm not gonna put Donasia unless somebody got something unique that I can use with Donasia. I have a new intro, and it has the word Don. It has my name Donasia in it, but my channel name will not be Donasia, obviously. I am thinking of some things, like my actual nickname that my family call me is Nene or Nasia. And I've been called Nene before the song came out, before it was a dance. So let's just get that out there. I was here first, before the song, before the dance, whatever it's gonna be. And Nasia is another name that my mother gave me. Both of my names, Nene, Nasia, and Donasia, is actually tatted on her. So those are all my actual given name. Jordan Brown was given to me by one of my friends when I wasn't supposed to have Snapchat, and I asked my friend to make me a Snapchat or whatever it gets to be. So he made up the name, and that's where Jordan came from, honestly. And it later on became my inner ego, which is still my inner ego. I'm just not gonna use it because I have too many names out here. My Instagram is Skinny Mini. My TikTok is Skinny Mini. My Facebook used to be Jordan Dior, but I changed it to my actual name. And the reason why I did that is because I was verified on Facebook for a good minute, for a little short minute actually. And they wouldn't let me get verified if I didn't use my real name, whatever the case may be, because they have to take a little thing of my ID or whatever the case may be. So yeah, that's why that happened. And I'm like, growing on it, and people love my name. Well, not people, but some people, you can guess those people. They love the name Donasia. They always say it's beautiful, and it's not really bad. I just thought it wasn't unique because I have a cousin, her name is Darnasia as well, and I have this girl who I went to school with, her name is Darnasia with an R. My cousin has an R in her name too, but you don't really hear the R in her name. However, that's why I did not like using my name. However, I'm growing on it, so you guys will be seeing the change in the channel name and the change in my intro. I had one of my friends make me a new intro because the intro I made was definitely too long, and we can't be having that. So yeah, but that's something I want to put out there before I get into this video anymore, like any further or whatever the case may be. So now I'm gonna take all the stuff out. This is the shirt that I got from Rue 21. You know I love it, Whitney Houston. So I had to get me this shirt, y'all. It's cute. Yeah, your girl had to get a shirt. And yes, I know how to fold it back up because I already folded it back up like that. But some stuff you know. And I do have one of my pair of shoes. I have one of my new shoes here, but I'm gonna just let y'all see that in a second. SHEIN haul. I mean, try on haul, because this is a SHEIN haul. Everything is from SHEIN. Okay, so what we gonna try on? Y'all, don't excuse me. I do not have on a bra. I'm just putting that out there, like, and I don't feel like going to get one. Yeah, I don't feel like going to get one. So yeah. And while I'm in this video, if you guys see the background, if you got like any ideas for like decorations or something like that, like let me know in the comments down below. I know not too many people interact with my videos, but I get a good bit. So yeah. Let's see. Yeah. That is something. Alright. Try this on. I don't know what this is actually. What is this? Oh, I'm gonna try this on. First of all, why is a shirt back out? I could have sworn when I ordered this shirt, it didn't have no back out. And y'all, it's like what is this? See my belly ring. But why my back out? This is something I would like have to wear like at a game. What in the world? I would have to wear a jacket with this at school. If I would even wear this to school. Like why is it so tight? Anyways, this right here is a no for me. I don't even like this. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna take this off and try this on. I was gonna make this my first day outfit, but I don't even know if I'm gonna have to, if I'm gonna be able to wear this to school. We will see. First of all, this don't even pass, y'all. Let me back it up a little bit so y'all can't see the window. I don't want y'all to see that over there either. So this right here ain't giving, cause this is too short. I would have to wear it like this, and that look wrong, cause it's not supposed to be this low. It's supposed to be like this, and it's past my fingertip. So this definitely ain't flying to school, but it is cute or whatever. So I could probably wear this for like my senior outfit. They could put you in. I know y'all see my bra, right? See like this? Y'all, this really finna irritate me because that means I bought all this stuff and can't even wear it to school. I got 2 shirts that might be the only thing I might be able to wear, plus the pants. This would be fine. This would be fine. Wait. Let's see, this jeans. I did order jeans. I've never ordered jeans off here before, so let's see. First of all, y'all, I'm not a jeans person. I like leggings and spandex. Jeans be so hard. Can't even get it up. See my tattoos? Oh, ready. Alright. Let me make this work with that shoes. Why are you so high waisted though? I ain't that long. Am I booty show? Can you see? I'm not gonna lie. Let me go look in the mirror. Hold up. Alright. I like this brown better. At least I got like 2 outfits I can wear to school. Except right now. Oh, I think I like this one better. It's like right on. Yeah, I like this pants better. It's not too high waisted either. But it's giving. It's giving. It's giving. Y'all, don't. The girl. Wait till I get my hair done. Plus these outfits. And this right here is basically a sweater for winter. Let me see some. So this say. Of course I won't wear nothing with this. This is just gonna be weird by itself and a bra. Obviously. Yeah, I like this. And it's another one. And then it's the last item. Wait, is it? Oh, that's pants. I don't need to try that on. That's spandex. And plus this. That's it. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you like it. And see you guys this school year.